Continuing my journey up the A82 around 13 miles southwest of Inverness is Urquhart Castle. It's a ruined castle that sits beside Loch Ness. It's an ideal stopping off place on your journey north. The present ruins date from the 13th to 16th centuries, though built on the site of an early medieval fortification. Urquhart played a role in the wars of the Scottish independence in the 14th century and was partially destroyed in 1692 to prevent its use by Jacobite forces. In the 20th century it was placed in a state of care as a scheduled monument and open to the public. It's now one of the most visited castles in Scotland. Loch Ness extends for approximately 23 miles southwest of Inverness. It takes its name from the River Ness, which flows from the northern end. Loch Ness is best known for acclaimed sightings of the Loch Ness Monster, a mythical creature in Scottish folklore. There are several cruises and tours of the loch available. I hope you enjoyed this very brief insight. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.